Hello, you're welcome to this particular video. And in this video, I want to show you quickly how you can create a Google account, how you can create your Gmail account from scratch. Maybe you have never even used Gmail before, or on a particular computer it's not signed into any account. I'm going to show you how you can do that from start to finish. Thank you, and let's get to my desktop. Okay, here you can see this is my browser. Maybe your browser is totally blank. You haven't even signed into Google. So note that you will not be able to use Google Chrome effectively if you don't have a Google account, right? Don't have a Google account, you will not be able to effectively use Google Chrome. So maybe you go straight to the beginning. You can click, for instance, where you just open Google Chrome. It's just going to look like this, nothing to really show, no sign up and so on. So you can see you can either click here, it's going to take you to this page, or you can just type in Gmail something. Yeah, let's say Gmail login. You're going to see this take, and it's going to take you back here to this same page. Understand? So the next thing is you're going to see, you can see create account, and you are going to click create account. They're going to ask you, want a business account or a personal account. For now, we're going to go through the personal account, right? So you take personal account, and the next thing is they're going to ask your name, and then you're going to enter your name. Let me just use something divine. Aubrey. Okay, it's optional. Let me just say something. Okay, and then you ensure you enter your full names, right? And then you take next. You're going to take next, and it's going to bring you here where you're going to enter your date of birth, right? Enter date of birth. Be March 10, 1995, something like that. And then you indicate whether you're a male or a female, male, female, or rather not say, or custom. Well, okay. Then you simply take male, for instance, and then you take on next. So it's going to propose to you from your name. It's going to propose exactly what it can create for you as a Gmail account, right? So you can see this Divine Fabri Tech. That's the full name. Here it's Tech Divine Fabri, or you can enter your own, the one you want personally, the way you want it to be, but it should be related to the name, right? Otherwise they will tell you it's not available. For instance, if I just take the Ramondi, they might say, okay, let me try to go next. Okay, you can see they say this name is already taken. Okay, so those are some instances you may want to create a Gmail account and somebody else is using that similar name. Let me add something like travel and see. Okay, it goes across. But one I like to do, or like us to use this one. So that was just to show that, okay, you can actually choose a different name, right? To create a Gmail apart from your own personal name. Yeah. So take this, click on next. Then you're gonna enter your password here, right? So here you enter your password. Okay, let's do that. Okay, once you're done entering the password, you simply click on next. Say verify some info before creating any account. So here they are saying you should scan this with your phone. Scan the QR code with your phone. Phone camera, open your camera, scan the code. Then follow the following steps for your phone to complete verification. So in some cases, this is maybe in some cases because I have used this computer to, that's why I say Google needs to verify some information about your device or phone number before you can continue. So in some cases, this might be the case. So if you encounter this, you just have to do what? Scan the code and then you get verified. Okay, let's scan the code and see what happens. Okay, I just scanned the code. Go ahead to open. Verify your phone number. Okay, I'm going to verify phone number from my phone. Okay, so it does automatically. So on my device it says return to your other device. So it seems it does automatically scan, and then here you need to enter your recovery email. This is very important, okay? In case you have an issue with this particular email you're creating, you'll be able to recover the email using the recovery email. So it's always very important to have an email that you can use as the recovery email. That's why you don't necessarily have to maybe own just one Gmail account, right? You can have multiple Gmail accounts, but you have one that you can always use as maybe a recovery email for any other one you're using. And you ensure that that particular one is also very secure so that you will not miss out. Or if you lost that one, you risk losing any other email that is linked to that particular one. So in this case, for now, for the sake of this, we are just going to skip here. We'll do that later. You can say, okay, this is the email, and then we take next, and boom, it is done. So that's it. Once you reach this level, know that you are done already. All you need is just agree to the terms. You could, if you are totally new, you could still go through, try to read through what they are trying to say here, so you have an idea. Then you take on I agree. then you're good to go. So it's going to take you directly to your inbox. So you can see this is your inbox. So you have nothing here to show yet. So this is exactly how you can go about creating a Gmail account from scratch. Okay, you can see it here, you can click here, you see this is the Gmail. You see why I was talking about recovery. They say you could lose access to Gmail. A recovery phone will help if you forget your password. So it's very important too. You can add a recovery phone number through which you can always have access to your Gmail. In case you lose your password, they can always send a code to your phone number, that particular phone number that is linked to that Gmail account, so that you'll be able to recover it immediately. You can always log in, and then from there now you can change your password. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, please kindly ensure to subscribe, kindly ensure to share to help somebody else, and ask your questions in the comment section, and see you in our next video. Shalom. God bless you.